Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the Apple accessories. These are the new USB-C ones. They're not really new anymore. They've been out for a few months now, but I didn't pick any of them up when they came out, and I finally decided to. So we've got the USB-C Magic Trackpad, and we've got the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and the numpad. I just got the white ones. The space gray ones, or the black ones, whatever they're called now, are like $30 more. I think this was $179 and the keyboard was like $199 in black. And then I think this one was like $129 or $149, whereas the black one was like $179. So between the two of these, I saved like $60 or $70 by just getting the standard, Apple white and silver, which I don't mind. So no reason to pay a bunch more for, the same product in a different color, in my opinion. So we're gonna take these off here. Again, these are the new USB-C ones, so I can finally ditch lightning cables other than my AirPods Max, really, because I pretty much charge my AirPods Pro with wireless charging. So we'll go ahead and take this out. Of course, we do get that nice braided Apple cable. Same one that comes with the iPhones. I've actually got one right over here for my iPhone at my desk. So we're going to just leave that in there. And go ahead and take the paper off this guy. Let's see, is there a pull tab? I don't think there's a pull tab. I think, oh no, it's right here. I have been hearing some rumors of an 3rd gen mouse coming out. Maybe they'll put the USB-C port in a better location this time after all these years. But other than that, I don't really care because the keyboard and the Magic Trackpad, the USB-C ports are all on the back. So there's no real point in waiting for that because this isn't the mouse. So, and if you see this giant bruise on my arm, that is from the IV when I got my ankle fusion surgery a couple days ago at this point. So that's what that's from. And we're gonna go ahead and pull the pull tab on this. Again, white trackpad. I don't know, hopefully it doesn't get too dirty or show, finger oils and all that kind of stuff too easily, but again, not too concerned. Same setup here, USB-C to C, braided, little booklet right there. And here we go. And these are haptic, so when the trackpad is off, there's no click to it because it's all like a haptic motor. If we turn it on without pairing, there's a click. Yep, so you can click in right now, and then no click. Clicking, and then no click. So pretty cool how that works. Same on the MacBooks and stuff like that. But USB-C port, little plastic window right there for the Bluetooth signal to get out from the metal enclosure. And then there is the trackpad. So excited to use this when I'm like swiping through Final Cut Pro, stuff like that, all that kind of stuff. It'll be a little bit easier than using a mouse. So I just wanted to try this setup out for a while. I've had a Magic Keyboard before, but I haven't used a Magic Trackpad in quite a few years. So excited to try these setups out. So there we go. Those are the 2 Apple products that I just picked up. I'm Colin with Techout. Over to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.